Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Fame 4. Today I'll give you all a complete review of Eufy RoboVac D10 Hybrid. So let's get into the video. So I'll start with what was inside the box. So before that I'll just tell you it's a 2-in-1 cleaning plus mopping vacuum. For the price range, a decent product by Eufy. As you can see, these are all the parts that are inside the box. I'll explain each of them in detail and tell you how it's used. So here you can see the charging base. It should always be placed supporting the wall. And you can see how I'm connecting both. It's very simple. There's a power adapter which you can see it's connected to the power supply. This forms the docking station for our robot. So here is our RoboVac which looks classy. Next you can see the dust collector. So this is where all the dust collects. When we open it, we can see a filter over here. Two such filters are given, one here and the other one is an additional one. So here I'm showing how to put the dust collector into the RoboVac. It's very simple, just a click. So when the LED light is in solid blue, it's either in standby, cleaning or fully charged. And when it is in orange, it's in low power and it has to be charged. Next they have given some cable ties to tags to hold the wires together so that it does not come under the robo. So these are the 4 additional filters given for the water tank. So this is the water tank with 2 additional mopping cloths. The cloth given here is easily removable and it sticks to the velcro very well. Here is the water inlet to pour the distilled water for mopping purpose. Though I haven't used the mopping functionality much, but I'm just showing you guys how to pour the water and how to use it. You can see it's not spilling or leaking. We have to turn it upside down facing the cloth to the floor and attach it to the RoboVac. These are the side brushes used to collect the dust. 4 such brushes are given, 2 spare and 2 all attached to the RoboVac. Fixing and removing them is very easy. Again, the positioning matters here. Apart from these, they have given a quick start guide, a user manual and a warranty. So this is the Flipkart bill, 16,449. Download the Eufy Home app from the Play Store and follow the in-app instructions to complete the Wi-Fi connection. You then will be able to control RoboVac via this app. Here you can see different options: start or stop cleaning, recharge button, find button, schedule option where you can assign the robot to clean on a particular day and a time. Then you have smart mode. RoboVac intensively cleans a specific area for 2 minutes in a spiral pattern. Next, set the suction power level according to your needs. Next, manual control. That's the favorite of my kid. She always uses it to play like a remote car. Here again you have the spot button and the recharge button. So you can use both of them here itself. Auto return cleaning is a feature which makes your robot to go back after cleaning to its home. So if you enable it, it does by itself. So go through the app. It's pretty easy to understand and user friendly. Eufy app tells you the condition of various components like brushes and battery so that you can recharge and replace them whenever required. While the G10 offers smart connectivity features that work with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, but I haven't configured yet. This smart feature isn't necessary for most of us though. UV Home app, which is way simple to use. Homepage layout gives you an option to select the layout for your robot to clean. So let's start the magic. Click the start button to start cleaning. Don't forget to turn on the main power switch on the bottom of the RoboVac. After startup, RoboVac moves from its charging base and automatically determines its cleaning route, following a bow-shaped cleaning method. I have increased the speed of the video, but otherwise robot takes its own time to clean. G10 has an excellent battery life, which you can see on the app. It's never stopped midway through a clean. For a 1500 square feet house, it took 1 hour to clean. The results are outstanding. You can see how nicely it cleans the corners as well. Every corner is covered. During cleaning, RoboVac will return to the charging base automatically if the battery level becomes low. Once recharged, it will resume to finish the remaining cleaning. Eufy manages to pick all those tiny hair that's there on the floor. I really like the vacuum suction power. I was surprised by the amount of dust it picked up on an already self-cleaned broom floor. As you can see, the RoboVac is not going and touching the end of the wall because earlier I had placed a barrier and I didn't want the RoboVac to go there. I usually do a manual cleaning at that part because that's my sink area. The RoboVac smartly remembers the uncleaned areas and cleans it accordingly. Cleaning and maintenance of the RoboVac is very much required for your robot to perform better for a longer period of time. So the dust collector, filter and side brushes has to be cleaned after each use. Now let's see how much of dust was collected in the dust collector. Oh my god, if you see, there's a lot of dust that's collected here and it's simply unbelievable. For the filters to function properly, it's very much required that we clean the filters after every use, and after every 6 months or after every 50 rounds of cleaning we have to replace it. So to clean the filters, we have a cleaning tool, and that I forgot to show you at the beginning. Make sure you dust it with a clean, nice cloth and put back the filter as shown. It's very simple. Don't forget to wipe the RoboVac with a dry cloth before placing it back. Overall, I like the RoboVac, but it does have some disadvantages. I'll tell you what are those. It can't learn the layout of your house. It lacks the ability to map and remember the layout. And secondly, it gets distracted sometimes. Thirdly, the mopping functionality is not that great, so I always prefer doing it in a 360-degree mop stick. But cleaning is spot on. For the price range, a decent product by Eufy, so it best suits for day-to-day light cleaning. But flaws aside, its efforts are sure to reduce manual cleaning. It has become a family member now and everybody loves it, especially my kids go behind it. Thank you for watching. If you like the full review, do subscribe to my channel and encourage me to upload more such videos. Don't forget to hit that like button and notification button as well. Thank you.